In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Vasto Lorde in Sakura stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Vasto Lorde. You will have to be playing as Ichigo on stage 4. So first, equip your mask, so press Y and you will see a bar next to your name. Now, you will have to wait for this bar to drain until 2 out of 5 of the bar is left. You also need to be on low HP. Now, you need to die while there is only 2 bars left when the mask is equipped to transform. So this is why low HP is recommended. So to keep it simple, equip the mask, wait until there's only 2 bars left on the mask charge meter at the left, and if you die with less than 2 bars remaining, you will immediately appear once again as Vasto Lorde. So you will get the transformation if you die before the mask effect wears off and you are below 2 bars. So once you come back, you will have access to the new Vasto Lorde moveset. So M1 will do basic attacks, Q will do Getsuka Slash, E Unrelenting Barrage, R for Crushing Roar, T for Serral Blast, G for Getsuga Tensho, Y for Serral Counter, C for Flash Stab, and F for Block. So this is all you have to do, and then like I said, you will have access to the full moveset. Now sadly, I won't be able to show you any gameplay on the screen, but regardless, this is all you have to do. As Vasto Lorde, you will be able to use some exclusive moves, like I mentioned, Crushing Roar, Serral Blast, and Serral Counter by pressing R, T, and Y respectively, and you will be able to see all of the cool effects go off when you use those abilities. It is a very flashy moveset, usually with red and black colors, and like I said, all that you have to do is die while there are 2 or less bars remaining when you equip your mask. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Vasto Lorde in Sakura's stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.